In this video, you'll learn how to recolor images using the Cloudinary React SDK. Perfect for product images, dynamic theming, or just giving your content a fresh look with generative AI. First, import everything you need from the Cloudinary React SDK. Cloudinary, the advanced image component, the fill resize action, and the generative recolor effect. To connect to your product environment, use your cloud name, which you can find in your Cloudinary dashboard. While you're in the console, grab the public ID for the image you want to recolor. You'll find it in the media library under the Assets product. Then, set up your Cloudinary instance by calling the Cloudinary constructor and passing in your cloud name. Now create an image object. Pass in the public ID of the image you want to recolor, then apply some transformations. Resize the image to a width of 1,000 pixels, and then apply the generative recolor effect. In this example, you're recoloring a dress along with its belt and strap using a gray-blue hex color. Setting multiple true tells Cloudinary to recolor all instances of the object if more than one is found. To display the image, use Cloudinary's Advanced Image React component. Just pass in the image object and add some formatting to fit the image into the grid. Run the app and see the image displayed in the new gray color. There it is. Want to show your product in a range of colors? You can switch out the prompt to recolor different objects or the hex code for colors that fit seasonal themes or branding. In this example, we'll recolor the dress in a few different ways. Start by creating a list of hex codes. Set the first value to null so we can include the original image without any recoloring. Next, rename the variable used to store the image object as img. Then, define a createImage function that takes a color as a parameter. Apply that color inside the generative recolor effect, using a variable instead of a hard-coded value, so that the effect updates dynamically. If the color is null, skip the effect. This keeps the first image in its original form. Finally, return the image object at the end of the function. Now, let's update the code for rendering the images. Iterate through the color codes list, extracting both the color and the index. Use the index as the key for each item in the list. Then, call the createImage function we just wrote, passing in the current color. This returns the image object, which we used to render each version of the dress inside the advanced image component. Now when you run the code, you'll see the same dress rendered in all the selected colors. That looks great. And that's it. With just a few lines of code, you can dynamically recolor images using the Cloudinary React SDK. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more dev hints.